Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm creating these rose gold pink shimmery eyes and I've used my Huda Beauty rose gold palette to create this look, and also I've used a liquid eyeshadow to create this beautiful shimmer that I have on my eyelid. Basically, this is my Diwali look for this year, and I mean you can do this for the wedding season also that's coming up. But yes, right now I'm getting ready for a Diwali party, and just a little story about this mehendi. Well, Karwa Chauth was just a few days back, right? And I was a little unwell, so I could not go and get mehendi done. So my husband just got like a mehendi cone and he drew this on my hand. I mean, it's really cute, but yeah, I mean, it's not a professional work. Yes, this is a little story behind this little drawing, mehendi drawing on my hands. So yeah, let's get started and learn this look.
So as I always say, moisturizing the face is very important before you start makeup. So I'm using Cetaphil moisturizing cream to moisturize my face today. After this, I'm using this eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in shade medium brown. Now I'm taking this cream concealer from Makeup Studio. Now this is a very light shade of concealer. So I'm using this to define my eyebrows even more. So I'm applying this concealer on top of my eyebrows, and also I'll apply it all over my eyelid before I start my eye makeup. Now I'm taking a loose powder to set this concealer that I applied on my eyelid. Okay, so let's start with the eye makeup now, taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the first shade that I'm taking is called Demure. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but yeah, so taking a fluffy brush and applying it on my crease. After this, I'm taking the shade next to it. It's like a nice bright pink color. It's called Doll Face. Okay, so quite happy with how the crease is looking right now. It's nice and pink. Now let's go on to the next step, which is darkening the outer corner. So for that, I'm taking this shade Cocoa and I'm mixing it with this other burgundy wine shade. And now I'm applying this in the outer corner and slightly on the crease. Next, I'm taking this shimmery shade from the palette. It's called Bubbly. This is honestly my favorite shade. So taking a flat brush and just applying this shade on my lid. You can even use your finger to apply this shade. In fact, most of these shimmery shades from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, they work really well. They look more intense when they're applied from the finger, or else you can spray your flat brush with a makeup fixer and then apply the shade to make it look more intense. Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I bought this one from Nykaa and the shade that I'm using is 03 Champagne. You have to be a little careful when you are applying this, otherwise it can look really chunky. So either you can use your finger or apply it directly, or else you can even use a flat brush to apply this shimmer shade. And so yes guys, this is how the eyes are looking right now. So the next step is applying an eyeliner. So for that, I'm taking this black kajal pencil from Faces. Now this is like an easiest way to apply an eyeliner if you're not very comfortable with a gel eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner. So just drawing a very thin line, and now I'm taking an angular brush and just extending that liner a little bit, like just creating a small angle. And guys, sorry about my voice. I have really bad cold. I waited for few days, to do the voiceover, but the cold is just not going. The weather has really changed in my city, which is New Delhi. So yeah, so just bear with my heavy voice this time. Cleaning the under eye area before I start with my base makeup. So whenever I do shimmery eyes or glittery eyes, I always like to complete my eye makeup first and then go on to the base makeup so that there are no fallouts. Applying some highlighter on the brow bone. The highlighter that I'm using is from MAC. It's called Soft and Gentle. Completing my eye makeup with these lashes. These are from Euro Paris. So yes, I'm back after applying my lashes. I'm taking this concealer from Too Faced. It's called Born This Way Concealer. The shade is Golden Beige. Applying this under my eyes to cover my dark circles or any other dark spots that I have on my face. Using this beauty sponge, again this one is from Nykaa, blending the concealer using this damp beauty sponge. Going on to the foundation part, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I absolutely love this one. It gives a very nice coverage and is also very long lasting. I've already done a video, a review about this foundation and the other L'Oreal Infallible foundation. If you want to watch that, it's on my channel. Next, I'm using a lighter shade of concealer on my highlighting points. The concealer that I'm using is again from Too Faced. The shade this time is light beige, and just applying it on my highlighting points. And again, with the help of a damp beauty sponge, I'm going to blend all this concealer. So as you can see, the under eye area is looking so much more brighter now. Okay, to set this under eye area, I'm using this loose powder from Laura Mercier. So applying it with a powder brush, and I'm going to leave this powder for some time under the eye. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix Compact. This is in shade NC35. Now next I'm going on to the bronzer, and I'm taking this Fenty Beauty bronzer and just contouring my face using that. Okay, honestly, I don't need a lot of contouring, but I still love to do it, especially the nose area. It's just for the pictures. Okay, now let's go on to the blusher part. So I'm using this blusher from L'Oreal. It's called Sunset Glow, and again, I absolutely love this product, and it's gonna give a nice pinkish glow to my cheeks. And time to remove all that under eye area powder, and look at the under eye, guys. It's looking so bright and so neat. And now I'm going to take these two eyeshadow shades, and with the help of a pencil brush, I will smudge this in the lower lash line. Applying some kajal in the waterline. Since it's an Indian look, so I always like to apply some kohl in the waterline. Now I'm taking this highlighter from MAC. It's soft and gentle, and just applying it on my cheekbones. Lining my lips using this lip liner, which is from PAC. The shade is So Spicy. And after this, I'm taking this liquid lipstick, which is from Huda Beauty. The shade is Bombshell.
So guys, this is the complete look. This is honestly my all-time favorite look. I just love adding a little bit of shimmer or glitter when I'm wearing Indian outfit. And this is like a very subtle glitter. so it's not too much. It's just perfect for the festive season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Do let me know in the comment section below, and of course if you recreate this, then tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is called getgorgeouswithnidhi. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all soon. Bye.